Need to stop OneDrive from syncing the files? It's easy to pause or completely stop syncing on Windows. Click the OneDrive icon on your taskbar's notification area. Click the gear icon labeled Help and Settings and choose Pause Syncing. Select time duration or go to Settings to stop syncing entirely. To stop syncing completely, go to the Account tab and click Unlink this PC. This will disconnect your OneDrive account from this device. And now you've successfully paused or stopped syncing with OneDrive. Great for regaining control over your storage and bandwidth. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.